Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the valves on a John Packer Cornet or Trumpet. I've got a Cornet in front of me now, so we'll start by looking at how we do it. We've got the end with the mouthpiece goes in here where you blow, and this is the bell, okay? Your valves are numbered 1, 2 and 3 on the inside. You don't want to take out more than one at a time. If you get them in the wrong order, the instrument won't blow, so it makes sense to do them one at a time. So first thing I do is I find this bit here with a felt on it. So that's this bit here, the top of it. And I just undo that. I don't want to undo up here because that'll just take that button off, or it'll undo it inside. I'll show you that in a second. So undo that, lift my valve out. It should come out as a whole. Let's set my Cornet down. I've got a whole valve here. The way the valve works is it moves up and down by these two plastic bits being held in place inside, and there's a spring in there. Causes it to just bounce. On the valve there is a number. I don't know if you can quite see that, but here is written a number 1 round here. This side has got nothing on it. That's going to be important for knowing how to put it back in. So I'm touching it deliberately by the top here and trying not to touch down here because this is where all the dirt will gather. So I take my piece of paper that I have, I give it a wipe clean, and the piece of paper will go a bit black. Okay, that's just all the dirt that's gradually been blown through the instrument. I get a bit of valve oil. Water will do if you don't have any valve oil, or you can order some online if you think you need some, but water is fine, and it will do as a temporary sort of way to keep it moving. I've just put a little bit on the bottom there. That's all I need. I don't need to put lots on. I don't need to lather it on. Just a little bit usually works. And then what I need to do is find my number. My number is here. So I take my number, I take it and I put it towards where the mouthpiece goes in. So it's just on an angle now. It's not going straight up and down the instrument. It's going slightly across at about a 45-degree angle. I push it down. Okay, so I'm now pushing the valve down slightly, and I twist it clockwise and it will click. Just have a listen. It's clicked in place. I'll do that again. So I've lifted it out. It's now facing this way. It's sort of 45-degree angle across the cornet. So the number is that way towards this mouthpiece receiver. Press it down, twist, clicks in place. That means that it's in the right place. Then I can start to twist my felt bit again to lock my valve in place. Once it's in place, I can check if it's working properly by just giving it a simple blow. The air should go through, which it is doing. I've got it in the right way. We don't want the number the wrong way. If it goes in the wrong way, the instrument will be blocked. Okay, if it's blocked, you just take your valve out, the same one you've just done, and just check it. All 3 valves, the number goes essentially this way, facing the player whenever you're finished. Hope that helps. Bye.